everyone, welcome back to the Lucas Studio Formula series by AnalyticsLiv. This is the 17th video of the 21 video series, so let's quickly start. In this video, we will talk about how to identify the region with the highest and the lowest sales for a given period using Max and Mean. So in this dataset, you can see we have date, along with that we have sales for three different regions: region 1 sales, region 2 sales and region 3 sales. Now out of these three regions, we will calculate the highest and the lowest sales. So first let's calculate the highest sales. To do that, we need to create a calculated field. Let's name this highest region sale, and to do that we will use Max. Now we have to mention the three region sales: region 1, region 2 and region 3. Now let's apply this. And you can see the highest region sale among the three regions has come up in this column. Now if you want to see the lowest region sales, let's check how to do that. Again, we need to add a calculated field. Now let's name this lowest region sale. Now this time we will use Mean, then all the three region sales: region 1, region 2 and region 3. Now you can see the lowest sale, which is 2270 for 30th April. You can see out here, and all the other dates as well. You can see the lowest region sale. I hope it helped you to understand the logic behind Max and Mean. If you would like us to take up any formulas that you would like to learn, please feel free to put that on the comment section, and also do subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.